Workshop Class 8 Subject English presented by Sausima Pawan Bujewar. Unit 1st Be the Best.
Read the words names given below. Put the big-sized bigger ones in the big circle and the smaller ones in the small circle. Musky, tree, pine, lake, bass, bush, highway, scrub, reel, sun, star, trail.
Musky in the big circle. Tree, big circle. Pine, big circle. Lake, big circle. Bass, small circle. Bush, small circle. Highway, big circle. Scrub, small circle. Reel, small circle. Sun, big circle. Star, small circle. Trail, small circle. In small circle, there are scrub, reel, bush, bass, star, and trail. In big circle, pine, sun, highway, tree, lake, musky. Question number 2. Read each stanza turn by turn. Be the best. If you can't, be a pine on the top of hill. Be a scrub in the valley, but be the best little scrub by the side of the rill. Be a bush if you can't, be a tree. If you can't, be a bush, be a bit of the grass, and some highway, a happier maker. If you are a musky, then just be a bass, but the littlest bass in the lake. We can't all be captains, we have got to be crew. There is something for all of us here. There is big work to do and there is leisure to do. And the task you must do is the near. If you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. If you can't be the sun, be a star. It isn't by size that you win or you fail. Be the best of whatever you are. Question number 3. Find and write the pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Number 1. Hill, rill. Number 2. Bee, tree. Number 3. Grass, bass. And number 4. Make, lake. Question number 4. Complete the following with appropriate word from the poem. Number 1. If you can't be a pine, be a scrub. Number 2. If you can't be a tree, be a bush. Number 3. If you are a musky, be a bass. 4. If you can't be a captain, you have got to be crew. Number 5. If you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. Number 6. If you can't be the sun, be a star. Question number 5. Write whether the following are true or false. Number 1. all must be the captains of the teams. False. Number 2. A bit of grass can make the highway happier. True. Number 3. We win or fail depending upon size or position. False. 4. A scrub is found at the top of the hill. False. Number 5. If your work is not important, don't do it. False. Number 6. Whatever job you have, do your best. True.
Question number 6. Write an appreciation of the poem with the help of points given below. Number 1. The title of the poem is Be the Best. Number 2. The poem is written by Douglas Malloch. Number 3. The poem has 4 stanzas. Each stanza has 4 lines. Number 4. The lines that rhyme in each stanza are first and second, third and fourth. Number 5. The poet compares big thing with small thing. Number 6. If you can't be is a repeated expression in the poem. Number 7. The line I shall always remember is be the best of whatever you are.
Read the given extract from the poem Little Drops of Water. Little drops of water, little grains of sand, make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. Little deeds of kindness, little words of love, help to make earth happy like the heaven above. So, thank you very much friends for watching my video. For more videos, subscribe my channel, comments and share.